Biomedomics, tests for life. How to use the Sickle Scan External Controls Kit. The Sickle Scan External Controls Kit is lyophilized to ensure product stability and ease of transport. The content in the vials will appear as a small, powdered pellet at the bottom of the vial. The Sickle Scan External Controls Kit is stable for 5 days at ambient temperature when shipped to the customer. Store unopened vials of Sickle Scan External Controls Kit at -20°C or colder. Add 50 microliter of distilled water with the micropipette to the positive control. Briefly vortex for 10 to 20 seconds. Using capillary sampler from Sickle Scan Rapid Test Kit, obtain 5 microliter of positive control specimen from vial. Take care to draw sample only by capillary action, do not squeeze dispensing bulb. Open Sickle Scan pretreatment module by removing the cap. Dispense the positive control specimen into the buffer. Screw cap onto the module. Invert the module and mix 3 times, allowing complete treatment of the specimen with buffer. Break tip off the colored cap of the pretreatment module. Immediately dispense 4 drops into the Sickle Scan cartridge. Allow test to run for a minimum of 5 minutes. Read the results of the Sickle Scan by viewing the detection window. Test results that have run over 10 minutes are invalid. After 5 minutes, the positive control will yield a blue line for the control line, HBA line, HBS line, and HVC line. To conduct a negative control for the Sickle Scan Rapid Test, simply repeat the procedure for positive control. After 5 minutes, the negative control will yield a blue line for the control line only.